Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today's video, no long intro, okay? Today's video we're going to be doing smack or fat challenge video, but in a very different way, in the sense that we have three people here, my mom and my girl Joy, as you can see. So we all have 4 questions each that we're going to ask each other. So if anybody asks you a question and you don't get the question correct, you get a smack of powder from the person. So without wasting much time, we are starting the video. So mommy,
yes,
you are the oldest. Sit where?
Oh yeah, no. Okay.
So who are you asking your first question?
I'm asking Tessie. Yes. What year my father late?
When your father died?
Yes.
1999. Give me powder.
Months now.
You say which year?
Months.
I've answered already.
Okay,
Don't bother.
yes, you get it.
Yeah. You are called a cheat.
Okay.
You ask your question. Who are you asking?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to get down to this video.
Sit where? I will jump your hand.
Okay. My first question is Tessie.
Why is everybody calling Tessie?
Yes. It's good. Okay. How many siblings did I have? Baka.
Both step. I be just your mom's one.
How many siblings?
All of them in total. Yes. Okay now. Total. Now I start. Okay, no problem. Let me count.
Okay. For 1 minute, for 1 second though.
Yeah, and I dey family. I want count the family there many. You don't make me mistake now. I want to count in my mouth.
So one of the year word. Okay,
Tessie, when they go deeper like Abi,
your time don't they go?
Does that be 8?
Fade, baby.
But
How many
you have
you
not
talk
told me
about?
before, Joy.
You are wrong.
How many? Before you smack me, your guy can't tell from me.
I told you. We attained a number.
Jesus, what did you tell me?
We lost 1. We lost 1, so we are now 9 in number. Okay. I did not even. Oh yeah. Give
I will ask your brother, because I don't believe this game. Oh my fine friends.
Just fine. You're making beautiful. You're making beautiful like this. Beautiful girl, looking sexy.
Wow. My question is going to Joy.
Okay.
Which month did Oye burn my hand?
Boom, boom, boom. Which month did that one? Wait, let me think.
Only one guess though, because you cannot be telling me November, December,
No,
January.
it's August. I got it now. Tessie is August. Mommy na August. Tessie know your name.
I go show you proof now. Yeah, na September Oye born me. Now you the born.
Like the how you go take be September when we get fragrance of fire, fragrance of worship.
Fragrance of worship, Oye born me.
Echo.
Success birthday, Oye born me.
Oh, not true. Don't
give
one. Correct. I want to say September.
Face now, bring a come.
Man, lose my ring. Remember me with the open door.
Then
I want to say September. Not be lie.
The ring. I'm not. You know what? Come on.
Yeah.
Bring your face to this thing, Jare. Remove your hand.
Remove your hand now. Yeah, Tessie. Joe, you're like all those babalawo, those Yoruba. Mommy, not
That's your question.
not to talk because
You ask
you
me
never
Joy
know
now.
your own now.
Come here, but you do that. You're asking Joy now.
Ask
Because
me
you
now.
asked me first. Or you want to ask me?
Okay,
the
Joy,
other
let me
question
ask.
now?
No, let me ask you, Joy. Joy, what year
Yeah.
my mother?
How I can know when your mama said that? 30, we share the boy you.
Because I
He
don't
say
say
mama don't die before the boy you take. He wait the even know. Okay, make them say na 90. You know even be 90, na 80. 80.
camera.
80. Because na 80 na e go be ne.
Oh yeah, na talk now.
80. I be na 80. It means me enter 90.
Talk now.
Mommy, nah, I don't know the year where your mama died, but mine guess.
Guess anyone. Gbogbo Samle. Hey, Opada is
86.
correct.
You correct.
86.
Yes.
Jesus, I'm a
Correct.
good guesser. Mommy,
Correct.
I didn't get her. Mommy, it's not
You get
correct.
Correct.
18. 18.
You know how many years with that?
86.
Your mother died 1986.
Wait you talk 80. Why you
Your
go
mother
play?
died 1986.
I think 1986 you talk oh.
No.
Ah.
I still try now. Well,
No, I'll do it small.
Ijo,
Small night with this one.
Small.
It's not fair. It's not
No,
fair.
remove that from there.
Position your face very well.
What would you do like
Where's
this?
your face?
Only two. Test you weekend. See,
Just see your ear.
Even
Sit table.
I don't even see my face again. Jesus.
Jesus.
Mommy.
Tessie.
Mommy, what did you do so? You are going to hear it.
It's testy. You are going to hear it.
Ah, see, I'll see mommy now.
Tessie, you want to
You need to even they cry. Okay, it's time. Mommy.
Yes, I'm
Get
ready for
ready.
the part that no problem.
Which year me graduate coming for secondary school?
Agbaka.
What did she go get her now?
You know, concept. I go hold on. Oh yeah,
I don't
talk.
get that one at all.
Talk. Which year I come for secondary school? I don't
Secondary
think
school.
Which year I graduate coming for secondary school?
Ijili, I want to get that one.
Talk. I know they lie.
No, only one guess so.
Okay.
talk.
I'll get it 2 times. So.
No,
Now
once.
Okay, 2016.
You don't fail.
How many?
Bring your face. I don't like.
Say tell me now. Your face talk now.
Now 2016 I come for secondary
I try
You
now.
don't know anything happened.
Na Tessie talk am. Tessie give me super. And na Tessie I wan talk o.
I think I will be the wrong one so that you go. Your book father for a face.
You don't concern me. No, you talk. Bring your face.
Just like that.
Oh yeah, mommy.
I'm too fine.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
Jesus.
The mommy one is very, very simple.
Epo. Joy.
Mommy no like very simple
You like
question.
masquerade.
What is my ring size?
I don't cry ring for you before. I want to know.
Sorry, talk
17.
am.
No, you never reach.
Don't fail.
How many?
Nah, 6.
You're not ask more.
Yanks more.
You don't be past my own. Me na 12.
Just not get ring size.
I don't have ring size.
Not get.
Why you not get ring size?
His
You
finger.
know say that you don't ring to enter this place.
Mercy.
See am.
If you want to do marriage, you call. You're not.
Yeah,
You're
All
not.
the
go
stores when I
factory.
don't go there, they tell me say, and I go put, you know, either it's too big or it's too small. They tell me say, nah, I'll go factory, they go measure and page one for me. I'm not getting ring size.
Now customize wedding.
So anybody may want marry me, go get money well well. Cause now rock me when people for hand. They can't still use, we can't go office, go do one. If I put her for left.
Because you wicked.
Ooh, You see my face. I don't even see my hair again. This can make.
Jesse.
Mommy, show your face.
Jesse.
Ask me your
Okay.
question.
Mas.
Who they ask, Nami?
Na me.
No, ask. See, this thing is question things that you know that everybody know. So not go ask me question. Like just you go ask me what your mama did. You don't tell her what your mama did.
I know.
My
I
mom
even
is a
see
teacher.
try. I even see try.
You
sef.
track.
Ah.
You go track. Let make me do you small one. Okay.
Who's
now.
small
That's
one?
small.
Who's small one?
Come on, ask now.
There's no
Text
look
Abi.
face, so.
Okay.
Your last question for me.
Okay. I like question for you. Last
Not
question.
true.
For me.
Okay. I'm coming for you now. Which year I drop out from Akara school? Akara school.
Guys, see, let me tell you
Akara school.
this question.
I love go finish.
It's very, very funny. You know why we are laughing? Because we don't even know the year, neither the date.
No, I cannot answer this question.
Why?
But because you only told me that you did not finish, you did not tell me the year that you dropped out from school. So I will not answer.
You answer.
The
You
rules
go answer.
are no. The rules I said it just now. The rules are questions that you know that we know. Not so ask me. I know the answer that question.
Jesus.
Ask me. You even know.
Okay. Why no? Okay.
Oh, yeah, mommy,
Which
first year.
year? I said wrapping rice Zoko in Olia markets. Oh yeah. Carry on.
2000. The year when you born me.
Say.
Now laugh.
I said for 2001.
Awa.
No, wait. I born you. The time I did with the mama junior, not the sell rice. Now when I
You
come for the
read
mama junior,
say now when you
now
come up for
come
them,
out
now you
go
start
sell
to
rice.
say right.
Now me I know.
Mommy, you get
Wait
that.
now.
Wait,
Wait. Now
wait.
laugh. You born me February. Inside the month we have 12 months.
Okay. Make talk now.
We have 12 months. So February till
December, the mama junior take start die your mama picture. You look at New Year
Na
picture. Making a lie.
Na true.
2001.
Na true.
2001.
You
Na
did.
true. Now that your mama picture na
Yes, na December. I see tell her.
Mommy drop purity.
I
Drop
see
her.
tell her.
Make purity
If
no
you
use that.
No.
I not
That
fake.
is babalawo.
fake.
You fake.
You supposed to know.
Because
Because I
I
tell
know.
you say for the mama junior place.
You even tell us the story.
Now I go to snap you that picture. When you can tell me say why they take
New
say
Year, I be Christmas. Just Christmas, I not say New Year.
Christmas all of that December.
Na December.
You
New
forget
Year
that.
na December.
The most important thing, maybe.
And you don't mean bad.
New Year.
Well. Come.
No
Face
wahala.
me.
No, leave me and day.
First time you are first concert.
Carry your film.
You know the fair Robbie.
Why you go just stop
You
for
see
my-
ah? Why you go come outside?
Why your daughter
You
from
see
my
ah?
Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
Up whenever I see my person now, see my face. Okay,
Because you
ask.
just not come out.
Ask.
Who I want ask now? I don't ask mommy.
You ask me. No be
That's how
ask me.
many times I don't ask you.
Once.
My mom is still one. Now you dey ask me now.
Okay.
They not supposed to do it.
What is my? I don't even know my best subject in this school. What is my best subject in school?
Government. Line now. Make I bend your neck.
Who say you may get that?
Oh yeah.
I'm not asking now. Joy.
Ask now.
Yeah, this girl rubber for my ear.
No, my mom is rubber.
Mommy, why you rub powder for my ear?
Mona quick,
Talk.
fast.
What?
Don't tell me.
Mom say you call yourself stability for this.
My face.
In what year
Mm.
did I join Christ Embassy Choir?
You don't already wish you. Wish your mommy cover for Ile school.
Now I tell you.
You fail.
Who say make they talk?
I
You
thought
don't
of
already
you.
fail now. You don't already talk and I don't already
They
answer.
never talk the year.
And
I said
I
what
say-
year? May they meditate on our talk my answer. Not tell me that enough.
2016 now, no, I don't know. I don't even know whether na here for joy or from Nigeria. You not tell me say you draw quiet.
They say for a year. Now you to have been in Nigeria in the talk.
I joined Kasabasi Choir.
But for Nigeria,
Na here now.
Which year?
2000 and which year me even come Italy self? I even remember this. 2000. Wait.
Do now.
Mommy come back for 2016. Maybe you joined 2017 and 17.
Why you going to look at yourself?
I want to know whether I correct or not.
You don't fail.
Na lie.
You don't fail now.
Mommy dey fail.
Now 2016. You come back in school. We reach Italy here. August. You do Thanksgiving. September. When I don't sing for your Thanksgiving, I pastor maybe I say go and join the choir. Give me your face.
Mommy, so wait. I don't believe na lie.
Nine. Mom, when you do Thanksgiving? Not September. September 16.
Na 2016.
Yes.
Mommy, na you don't just try and pour me father. Because na 16 men they tell me you are a deceiver. You deceive me. You deceive me.
Yeah. Okay. The last question, Sister Joy.
It's happy.
The last question.
When
I say virgin. Oh yeah.
No answer.
Answer though.
No answer. Mommy, I don't know. I don't know because me, I did that time they play, so I don't know.
You need to calculate. I use your brain calculate.
don't talk again.
Which calculate? Me, I don't calculate anything because I
This
don't
was
know.
very simple.
Yeah, see my face.
Sister Joy, very simple. Come for here, not to tell about you.
Mommy,
You
wait.
want me to see work for your body again? Eh?
I've been 1919.
Only one girl so.
Only one guess.
Shut up. Mom, not put your hand for my face. Mom, not put me father again.
Oh, yeah, talk now.
My face is smooth and beautiful.
Beautiful. Oh yeah, talk.
Ooh,
Wait now.
I like this kind of makeup.
Sister Joy, talk. Man, you won't
They
watch
don't
this
even know
thing.
me again. Sir.
You won't watch them so. Oh yeah.
Okay, I come.
Quick.
2000. No, not be 2000. But we say na 19. Na 19. But we say na 19. 19. Maybe na 1998 or na 1999.
Okay. I don't want to say no.
One out of two. Mommy guess.
You talk.
Talk.
No,
You
talk.
talk.
Okay, wait,
Talk here. I want
for 2
to.
hours not
Na
pass.
1999.
Give me pardon now.
Na 1999.
Laugh for yourself.
Don't go in.
I win.
Yes.
Oh
Laugh.
Jesus.
You
Me
get
still
on
get
now.
question for.
Yes. My mommy last question. Then me I ask you my last question. How many questions I don't ask you?
2 now.
What you wish?
What is that?
Na 2. Yes, na 2 times you don't ask mommy question.
Can only you and me once. Yeah. Ask her.
That's you still get question for.
One.
Of course.
Only one.
How?
2, you don't get one for you.
You not get
Who
any.
come pour powder for my face?
No, not
just
me.
now?
Mommy, you need to pour you to powder.
Just pour you one.
Pour-
I pour you one.
Not very nice.
Ask now.
Okay. My last question goes like this.
I not go even know. Just carry
Na
card.
lie. Na lie.
Because I don't know anything about
Because I
you.
don't first
The
talk
way you
by
don't
yourself.
know
You
me.
say you
how
don't
many
talk
how many children my mama born?
9.
Don't
Not be
fail.
only nine. Not be only nine.
You have many now.
Nine for where?
I
My
mean,
sister, Timmy,
My mommy,
Joy,
my
Samuel.
mommy
Eight.
born 6
If I
times.
born 6,
Na 6 one die. So
You
yeah.
said. Yeah.
So
Is there how many siblings you get? Both step and everything. I calculate them for you just now.
I'm aware see the father.
Now go put my sister powder.
Purity will come this
Yeah.
sleep. Why Purity go sleep like this?
Go. You be wish. You be wish, Joy. Ah.
The place say not there. I help her plaster am.
You see am. Oh yeah, I'm gonna ask the last question. Don't
My
finish.
sister Joy.
Wetin I put to you?
Guess
Which
you know
month?
what
No
I be
mind.
babe now. I know now.
You dey do ojoro.
Which
Yes,
one
they do.
No, you dey do ojoro because when me ask you question about my
Listen,
sister, you no answer.
This one is simple. You will know it. Mommy, if
one
you
be
talk
say
anything, now you go
you
pour
go
my
know
powder.
it.
That's what they talk.
Which month I started to use Jenny's glow?
Which month? How me want to know the
Months I be
The
here.
month.
Month.
I dey come.
Ah.
I dey come. I know the month. Not be last year.
And you say months, you not say year.
Last year.
She go know.
Which day me go Modena? Now the first time when I go Modena, na
Yes,
start
that's
to dey
this time.
use Jenny's Glow. So which month? Inside quarantine. March, February. No, na March na quarantine. You owe me for
Me, I good one. I know the month.
Mommy, I not ask you question.
April, May come reach June. They come start church back. It can't be my birthday.
Oh God.
I don't know inside April or May.
Top one for
Which
the two.
one?
Yes, top one for the two now. You say April
Or May.
Say April or me.
Mommy want to fail you. It's very
Nah.
simple now.
You know if you feel me.
Not listen to what you say.
Inside April or May. Inside April.
I don't give you a spoon now.
If that my other phone for day and I for know the picture why I see.
I'm
You
not
go look
giving you
for
the
waiting
card,
now.
bro.
Inside April or May.
Oja. Fast.
Alora. If it be male, no, not be me. I go this place. Now April,
Don't fail. Me.
yeah.
See, I dey tear you. As I say,
Na May,
May.
na lie.
Na
May.
Why?
Na May.
that
Now I
time,
go. Now I go.
Wey fit never reach any. I wan tell you. That make I say make I not talk. I dey tell you say you want me wan feel
That's
you.
wetin you want.
Pour all of
Why
them.
you go pour everything?
Like not
One
the last
waste-
one. abi?
Yes, now
one
let me
waste-
do this.
Now you be the
one
last.
waste.
Mommy, let me pour.
I already the face don even first scatter.
Oja.
Put.
Bora, close your mouth.
Raise your head.
Raise your head, go up. Walk up.
So guys, if you like this video, give it a
Thumbs up, like, and share, guys.
Bye bye. That's for you.
Please wait, more talk on that thing. Wait.
I will not agree. Go there end the video. I'm not agreeing. You know where? No. Go there end Dana.
Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. See, Tessie is very corny. He's a corny human being. Because I was asking her question, she said I have not told her, and she asked me question that I did not even know, and I answered. And
Shut up. Come and tell them.
So thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in our next video. Bye.
The Joy shall too fine, no.
Bye. Thank you.
Jesus, if your face be like this, nobody.